Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti from Jaipur. Today I just want to share some good news with you uh, because right now is December and we are organizing a free dental checkup camp 24th of December on a National Dentist Day in our clinic. Uh, I just want to elaborate why we are organizing and why we are celebrating. First of all, we are just completing 11 years of our practice, uh, this clinic dental care center, and completing 3 years in Jaipur. This is the first thing. Second thing, I just wanted to tell you that we just joined hands with the Women Oral Health Care Initiative called Abhya. And I'm very proud to tell you that we just not connecting with only with the woman or child, we are connecting with the full family when we are just taking care of health, especially for women and children. So I just want to be a part of this campaign from a longer time, and this is I'm so happy that our clinic is chosen for that. So in Abhya initiative, what we do that our aim to improve overall oral health of women and organize some free dental checkup camps time to time so they can take participate in our program and they can learn and they can empower themselves so they can take care of their oral health. So we all understand that women in our societies are like very neglected. Sometimes they feel very neglected towards their overall health, and oral health is they just don't concentrate on that, and they just find that while they are taking care of their family and their health is suffering. So I just wanted to tell you that whoever in need, and you know some women out there or children out there who are in need, and they have lot of issues regarding they can't go to any dental clinic and they don't have any like some problem regarding their money and all things, so you can uh, tell them, then you can come to our clinic, especially for the dates I will announce. So we all know that pregnant women have lot of issues while they are having their pregnancy. They have at least one dental problem they are carrying, and sometimes because they are taking a lot of sweets that time, and they just forgot that they have to take care of their oral health also, and they suffer in during that 9 months, and after feeding their baby and the continued 2 years they can't go to dental office and they can't get the treatment. So teeth and gums are totally damaged at that time. So I just want to aware all the pregnant women who are just expecting or just trying to having their babies. So they have to think before and just go to their dentist and get your dental checkup done. So this is the first thing, and the second things we all know that some are connected to the very rural areas where people, especially women, said they be very poor health, and even their children's also very uh, damage oral health condition. So if you know someone, you can send to our clinic. Uh, Currently in December, we have one date chosen, that is 24th of December. So they can come to our clinic and I'm happy to help them overall. So this is the first thing I just wanted to share you. Second thing, we just finished our 3 years completely in Jaipur, and I'm happy to invite you all to celebrate this day to the same day I've chosen, 24th of December. You can visit for a free dental checkup camp. So any age, any group, you can come and share our joy with us. And uh, so this is the thing I just wanted to share you. I just want uh, to give details little by little. Then I will arrange timing and all things. So mostly the timing will be the morning 10 o'clock to uh, in the night 8 o'clock. So if you want to come, so just go to our clinic website, or I will mention the appointment link there. So you can book the appointment, you can come, and if you want to talk only regarding some issues, and if you don't want to come, you can email me. My email ID is there on my clinic page. So you can connect, you can ask question, and I will be answering all your questions. So, date I had decided on 24th of December. So, I will be answering all the queries, and it's 21st of December to 25th of December. I can easily answer your all the questions, but before and after, don't think that I will be involved. So, just write down the dates and timing so you can come and participate a small celebration with us. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.